In today's video, I'll show you how to install a 100% save file in Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War. Check my video description for this save file download link. Once download done, right click and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Navigate to Documents, open Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War player, and before dropping this 100% save, back up your game progress. Right click on the blank area and select New and select Folder. Name it as Backup BO. Then drag and drop a game progress inside. Now drag and drop the 100% save files inside this location, and now you can launch the game. Once you are in game, select the campaign in Cold War. Select the save file and choose the story you like to play. To show you guys it's working, I'm gonna resume the game. Save file successfully loads. So I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.